a lot of noise.
How about a yawn?
It's a yawn.
Like when you're sleepy.
I'm like,
Oh yeah. Roux, how about a yawn? It's like she's singing.
like, oh.
Okay, again, the fart.
How about the cricket?
Cricket, okay. It's like a mommy saying,
Can you? Well, I saw this on TikTok. Like there was a girl laughing without making any like. She was like this.
how do you do that?
She said, she was like that. Yeah, but without making like without laughing like.
Without moving the mouth?
Yeah, without moving anything.
Okay.
Except for her
Can
body.
you try it?
I don't know. I saw it on TikTok. I can.
Okay. What's happening?
Hello. Hello. This child has been lost.
Can you wink?
Wait.
Wink. Like that. Okay. How about you? Okay.
How about it sound like a owl? You can also do this.
Oh, look at that.
Can you do that?
Look at her eyebrows. It's moving. They're moving.
She can only do it.
Well,
Gotta control.
how about your nose? Can you wiggle your nose? Oh wow.
I can wiggle my nose.
Okay. Wow.
I like.
Can you lick your nose?
Wait, no. But I can reach this to my nose.
Okay.
See?
How about you?
You cannot push it. You cannot push it. That's cheating. That's
Can you kiss your elbows?
But my sister can.
Really?
Like
How?
she will lick it. Come on. I can't
Oh,
come
you
to
almost
here.
did it.
Huh?
You almost did it.
I tried to do it again, but I didn't.
Can you put your two elbows together in front of you? Oh, that's easy. How about backwards? Oh, wow.
Look, I can sound like an owl.
Oh, I like owls. I like to have a
I can
pet
sound
owl.
like. Look at this sound.
Oh,
Like.
that's from Frozen, right?
Yeah, like. It's like better. Not better.
No cutting of noodles. No cutting of noodles. No touching, no touching. Okay. Wow, almost. Oh, wow.
I do it.
Have you tried it like putting a coin here, letting it move to your face, into your mouth?
No,
Without
like there's
touching
a
it?
cookie right there. Try
Oh
to
yeah,
put it
cookie.
into your mouth.
Cookie would be better.
Yeah.
I said coin.
If you put a coin in your mouth, you'll choke.
If you eat it.
No what?
Wow. How about you? Can you snap? Okay, what about you? Because we're just
But
removing.
when I snap, I can also do a heart.
Oh yeah.
Look, I can make a love heart.
Okay,
But
snap.
I can also do this. A perfect
Oh
heart.
wow. It's a heart.
How about this heart?
Oh, it's a big heart, but it's a circle.
Can you do it upside down? Like, but it's like that?
Can you do a mask?
What? Yeah, I can do that.
2 hands. Very good. You're like Batman.
Batman with big eyelashes.
Right. Oh, grabe.
Do you want water behind?
How about cross-eyed?
What cross-eye? I only do that.
Roux, cross-eyed.
I have a mustache.
Like this one. Like this. Oh, look here. Again, look here, look here, look here, look here, look here, look here.